Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. Today we discuss a Rolex Oyster Perpetual Datejust in rose gold with diamond paved bezel and a unique tiger stripe diamond set and black lacquered dial. So 36 millimeters in rose gold, you're looking at the Datejust reference 116185 BBR. 36 millimeters in diameter, it's 11.7 millimeters thick, and from lug to lug, 44.2 millimeters, with a 20 millimeter spacing in between the lugs. This watch retailed in 2021. We're going to throw it on my wrist now, which is 16 centimeters in circumference. We'll draw my glove up a little bit so you can see my wrist. There we go. Now it's a nice match because when a Datejust isn't on a bracelet, the lug to lug is the true distance across the wrist, so you don't have any protruding solid end links. So you can see over the top, the cuff shot, and then down the barrel, the watch fits my wrist quite well. Far inboard of the edge of my wrist, you could wear this on a wrist as small as 13.5 centimeters circumference. Again, mine is 16, and it is a low, flat, and easily cleared watch for a tight sleeve or dress cuff. We've got this wonderful sort of peach-toned, some might say, hybrid peach pink or pink beige type of strap, and you can see large rectangular symmetrical scale alligator leather, a very good cut of the beast, an expensive and rare cut of the alligator hide, relatively thick. It has some bolstering to give it volume with a folded edge, and you can see on the bottom it is calfskin and a Rolex factory strap. The watch features a folding clasp with a lift-lock system. You can see the spring-loaded lift-lock system right there. A beak and a hook closure. It latches like so. And then you have to lift and unlock it. So it's not a simple friction fit system. It's a bit more sophisticated than that. We have several different pairs of strap tool holes drilled into the clasp so you can move the spring bar and change the anchoring point to fine-tune the fit. And then, of course, as a Rolex certified pre-owned vendor, we have access to other strap lengths if you need a different strap length to fit your wrist. These strap-clad Rolex watches generally come with some sort of insert between the lugs that helps to close the gap between the end of the strap and the side of the case, so they have a more integrated all-of-a-piece look with no daylight showing. Oyster-style case, twin-lock crown in gold, hence 2 dots, screw-down crown, screwed in oyster case back, 100 meters water resistant. We have a bezel that is set with 60 diamonds, and you can see that they are a beautiful baguette cut, and then flanking them we have far smaller and more numerous brilliant cut diamonds. Transitioning to the dial, we have several large brilliant cut diamonds acting as the hour indices on solid gold bases, as well as beautifully set stripes of rose gold within a dial that is also black lacquered to give an exceptional jeweled tiger impression. Taking a quick look, you can see the Rolex nameplate and the Datejust nameplate, both made of gold. We have hands that are white lacquered for better contrast, but they are not loomed. They look as though they might be, but they are not. The movement is caliber 3135, Rolex manufacturer, bidirectional automatic winding, 31 joules, 4 hertz, 48-hour power reserve. You can see we have a hacking or stop seconds function. There is also a quick set for the date, and as you can see here, the date is instantaneous jumping. The movement is adjusted in 5 positions and certified as a Swiss COSC chronometer. It is then tested by Rolex as a fully assembled watch in 6 positions to keep time no worse than -2 + 2 seconds per 24 hours. That is the basis for the superlative chronometer terminology. Now, the movement also has a full balance bridge and a free sprung balance to make for shock resistance. The free sprung balance also allowing for very precise adjustment of timing. And there is a overcoil hairspring and a blue oxidized niobium zirconium alloy, the alloy making it highly anti-magnetic, the overcoil profile of the hairspring giving the watch the ability to keep consistent or isochronous time in any physical position with respect to gravity on your dresser at night or on your wrist during the day. So this is a watch that is shock resistant, water resistant, and anti-magnetic. And again, it is a 48-hour automatic winding power reserve with a bidirectional winding Rolex perpetual winding system. Reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details of this rose gold marvel. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed and authenticated by Rolex. Should any reconditioning be necessary, it will be to a Rolex certified standard, and any parts invested Rolex factory original. Should the initial retail box, paper, and accessory set still accompany the watch, it will be included with the sale. But no matter what, a certified pre-owned box and paper set starts with an outer box, a leatherette travel pouch with suede lining, a warranty card that embodies the 2-year globally valid Rolex-backed warranty. Note, this is not a retail warranty, but backed by Rolex and actionable at any of its authorized points of sales and service. A leatherette wallet includes the warranty terms and conditions manual. A holographic hang tag marks this as a certified pre-owned Rolex watch, and a manual details Rolex's values as a company. The certified pre-owned program: care, feeding, service, and use of your Rolex, locations of points of sales and service, and details of Rolex.com. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed only by Rolex.